I'm testing out some thermal gel polish today. Hi friends, and welcome to my little corner. I'm doing a collaboration with Modelones, and I'm so excited to show you this gel polish that they have. It changes color with different temperatures. So I'll get right into this nail art kit and see what's inside. I just love getting in new nail art supplies. It's so fun to try new things like this. Okay, so here they are. You get 6 colors in this set. I've used Modelones gel polishes before, so I already know these are going to be totally awesome. Let's see what the colors look like first. You get a dark blue color, and then another shade of blue, and a dark purple color. And this one is like a jelly orange, and a reddish shade. I'm going to do the swatches and see what the colors are like. I'll start with the red. These have glitter in them, so I'm hoping when I'm done, they will catch the light. We'll see. I think these are going to need a couple of coats just by the way they are painting onto my nail form. I'll do the first coat and then get it into the lamp to cure. That's so funny. The lamp made it look like there is nothing there because of the thermal reaction. Let's see how they change now. I'm just using different water temperatures. I'll leave the link to this set in the comments and description if you want to try it out. This is beautiful. Anything with glitter, I'm pretty much going to love. And here is the orange one. This would be great for a fall nail idea. You could also add on some themed stickers too. It's going to be a fun set to try some new things with. The purple and blue are so pretty together. I hope you liked my video. I would love it if you would subscribe and have fun with me trying new nail art supplies. I'll see you soon. I have lots of supplies I want to share. See you next time.